Ever wondered how AI transforms a simple text prompt, like a cat in a Van Gogh painting, or a superhero in a 1920s jazz club, into a stunning visual? The answer lies in a breakthrough called CoAR, a revolutionary approach to text-to-image generation that makes AI art deeply personal. Let's dive into how this technology is redefining creativity, and why it's a game-changer for artists, designers, and anyone who dreams in visuals. Here's the catch with current AI art tools. They're like digital artists with an encyclopedic knowledge of styles, but when you want something specific, say your dog in a Renaissance portrait, they struggle. Why? Because traditional methods force the AI to retrain from scratch for every tweak. It's like asking a chef to cook your favorite dish by overhauling their entire kitchen. Not only is it slow, but it often produces blurry, inconsistent results. Think of it as teaching a kid to ride a bike by rebuilding the wheels every time they wobble. The model might memorize your input instead of learning the style, leading to strange outputs. Plus, it's computationally expensive, like burning through resources to paint a single canvas. Enter CoAR, a lightweight, intelligent solution that sidesteps this problem. Instead of overhauling the AI's entire knowledge base, CoAR uses targeted prompts as digital cheat sheets. Imagine handing a chef a recipe card instead of a 1,000-page cookbook. These prompts guide the AI to focus on your subject, your dog, your face, your idea, and the style Van Gogh cyberpunk watercolor without erasing its existing expertise. It's like giving the model a GPS for creativity, directing it precisely where to go without losing its way. Here's the technical heart of CoAR. It employs three key innovations. First, it layers prompts across the AI's processing pipeline, ensuring the model understands both what to draw and how to draw it. Second, it anchors these prompts to the AI's original training data, preventing it from forgetting its foundational knowledge. Think of it as a memory anchor that keeps the model grounded. Third, CoAR integrates a self-check system, a real-time quality filter that ensures consistency, much like a human artist reviewing their work for flaws. Together, these techniques let the AI adapt instantly to new requests without retraining. The results? CoAR achieves hyper-personalized art with less than 0.05% of the parameters required by traditional methods. That's a 2000x reduction in computational load, enabling faster, cheaper, and higher quality outputs. You can mix styles and subjects on the fly, like a robot in a tutu or a cat in a Renaissance portrait, without any extra training. It's like having a personal AI artist that evolves with your vision in real time, bridging the gap between abstract ideas and tangible art. This isn't just about cooler visuals, it's about democratizing creativity. CoAR empowers anyone, regardless of technical skill, to turn wild ideas into striking narratives. Imagine a world where a writer's description of a fantastical creature becomes a vivid image in seconds, or a designer prototypes a concept without coding. The implications for art, education, and innovation are profound. The next time you see a surreal, personalized image online, remember, that's CoAR at work, turning the impossible into the inevitable. Thanks for watching. If you want to explore how AI is reshaping creativity, hit subscribe. And drop a comment. What kind of AI art would you love to see? Let's brainstorm together.